Hey lovely friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining me again in another video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to make peanut butter balls. Now to make peanut butter balls, I'm going to combine 1 cup of smooth peanut butter into a medium bowl. Next, I'm going to go in with 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Next, I'll go ahead and mix this with a hand mixer. Next, I'm going to go in with 1 cup of sugar powder. I'm just going to add a little at a time, then beat until it combines. Once I'm done mixing this, I'm just going to bring everything together. I'm just going to start rolling this into small balls. Okay, you just need 1-inch ball. So this is just what I'm going to do. Once I have a smooth ball like this, I'm just going to arrange this in a tray lined with a parchment paper. Then I'm going to continue until I have all the peanut butter rolled out. I'm just going to place this in the fridge for an hour until it becomes firm. Just before I take out my peanut balls from the fridge, I have some dark chocolate here. So this is about 220 grams. So I'm just going to break them into smaller pieces. We are going to melt these right away. So to the chocolate, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. The coconut oil will help give a shiny appearance to our peanut balls. I'm going to melt my chocolate using a double boiling method. So I'm just placing this over boiling water. Once my chocolate is melted, and now I've taken out my peanut butter balls from the fridge. Okay, they have become firm just a little bit. So now we are going to bring it into the melted chocolate. Now I'm going to coat my peanut butter balls in the melted chocolate. So I'm just going to be needing 2 forks. I'm just going to make sure it is completely immersed in the chocolate, just like so. So I'm just going to allow excess to drop. Then I'll transfer it to the baking sheet again. And then I'll pick another one and repeat the same process. Once I've coated all my peanut butter balls in the chocolate, I'm going to place it back in the fridge for an hour to set. So guys, after resting our peanut butter balls in the fridge, they have completely set. So guys, let me show you what it looks like. This is really yummy. It's so delicious. This is a simple treat that doesn't require baking. You can easily make this at home. I hope you try this out. Let me know in the comment section what you think about peanut butter balls. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like the video, and you can also share this video with your friends. Until next time, bye guys.